we created Dungeon Alchemist, an AI-powered map-making application that allows you to make awesome-looking maps with just a few clicks. Here's how it works. Start by selecting one of our map sizes that works for you. Next, choose a theme for your map. Start off with an old-school crypt, a bustling tavern, or many others. And off you go. Just start drawing rooms and Dungeon Alchemist will fill in your walls, floors, objects, lights, and so on. Pretty neat, right? Each new room is generated on the fly to match your theme and looks completely unique. Dungeon Alchemist does all the grunt work for you, so you can focus on creating. Once you're happy with the rooms you've designed, the fun really starts. Each room can be selected, and you can update its theme and function to whatever you'd like it to be. Or swap out the theme completely. You want a dungeon made entirely out of latrines? We'll make it happen. Dungeon Alchemist randomizes each room as often as you want, so you get to pick whichever works best for you. Just tell your players you made it all by yourself and take the credit. We don't mind. All themes in Dungeon Alchemist can be freely mixed and blended together, so there really is no limit to the maps you can create. Draw the great outdoors and put in a little tavern. Ever wanted to put a kitchen in your abandoned crypt? Now you can. Want to really get down to the nitty-gritty? Almost everything in Dungeon Alchemist can be adjusted. Pick up any object and move it to wherever you want. They can be rotated as well if you really want to get into interior decorating. Reorganize your rooms until they're exactly right. Don't like an object? Delete it and never worry about it again. More space to breathe. Every single thing in Dungeon Alchemist can be scaled up or down. Just in case any gnomes or giants are planning a visit to your newly designed tavern. Aw, look at that cute little bed. All maps in Dungeon Alchemist are created in glorious 3D, so it's up to you to choose a top-down or fully three-dimensional view of your map, or even just a simple orthographic one. Dungeon Alchemist makes it incredibly easy to print your maps in high quality for home use, or import your maps directly into your favorite virtual tabletop environment. All elements such as walls, doors and lighting are imported as well, so you no longer need to worry about any of that. Lines of sight work right away. It's just that easy. Come along with us into a new era of map making and let Dungeon Alchemist inspire you on every single level. Please pledge today and help us upgrade your role-playing experience to the next level. Dungeon Alchemist cannot be held responsible for any bodily harm, injury, loss of limbs or loved ones, poisoning, hexes, level drain, elongated limbs or toenails, death or undeath your players may experience from their character's use of this product.